4, 5, 6.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the
Brown.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Wow.
You know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
Yellow.
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh
Wow.
ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to
Pink.
my loo, my darling.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes.
Wow!
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the
Orange.
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
Wow!
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Uh-oh. All the ice pops are gone, Daddy. Can we go to the park and buy some ice pops?
Sure, Peppa. It's perfect to buy some ice pops because it's very sunny today.
Okay, Daddy. Let us all go to the park. Hi, Grandpa Pig. Would you like some ice pops?
Yes, that's why I'm here. Because I want some chocolate ice pop.
Okay, Grandpa Pig. Chocolate ice pop coming up.
Wow, it looks yummy. Thank you so much. I really like it.
Hi there, Granny Pig. Would you like some ice pops?
Yes, sure.
What flavor do you like, Granny Pig?
I like mango flavor.
Okay, Granny Pig. Mango flavor it is. Mango flavor coming right up.
Wow, I can really smell the mango. And it's so yellow. Thank you so much. It's so delicious.
You're welcome, Granny Pig. See you next time. Bye-bye. for sure you will buy some ice pop, like Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig.
Yes, yes. I want some avocado ice pop. Do you have some avocado ice pop?
You're so lucky, Daddy Pig, because we have some avocado ice pop, but it's a little bit expensive.
Oh, no problem. I'll take it.
Avocado ice pop coming right up.
Avocado is green. It looks so yummy. I'll taste it. And it tastes so good. I will surely buy this next time.
Thank you so much, Daddy Pig. I really appreciate you like it.
You're welcome. See you around.
Hi there, Mama Pig. How are you today?
I'm fine, but it's a little bit hot. Do you have some melon ice pop? Because I really need something cold.
Yes, Mommy Pig. We have melon ice pop.
Thank you so much, because I really love melon. That's my favorite.
Okay, Mommy Pig. Melon ice pop coming up.
Oh wow, it's very orangey. Let me taste it. It's very orangey in color, but it tastes like melon. Thank you so much for satisfying my craving.
You're welcome, Mommy Pig. See you next time. Hi, George. Do you want some ice pop? What flavor do you want? Dinosaur. You're so funny, George. You always say dinosaur. 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 I'm confused. What will I give you, George? But I think you'll like this. Strawberry. 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 I'm glad you like it, George. See you again. Hi, Peppa. I've been waiting for you the whole day. It's really a sunny day, and I feel so hot. Can I have some vanilla ice cream, please? Ooh, wow! Really fast. I'm so excited to taste it. It's so delicious. Thank you. Bye.
subscribe to my channel. Thank you.